Okay, I'm gonna show you how we cook our lobsters here in the oven. You see this a huge lobster right here. This one mine. And those small ones for my wife, my daughter, and son, and niece. You can probably hear my nephew in the background. He's making a lot of noise, but here we go. This thing right here was very difficult to cut. Check it out. And what you want to do is just disconnect the meat from the shell. Yeah, you can turn it up a little bit. I'm gonna do voiceover. Just leave that tail part on right there. And we're gonna put season and everything inside here. And I'm gonna speed through these little ones. You do them the same way. Just take some of this membrane out if you don't want and clean it how you want. And I'm gonna fast forward through these smaller ones. Like I said, you just do them the same way. Okay, just sprinkle your season on. See right there, I'm using some of that Old Bay. Garlic and parsley. I put that on everything. And make sure you put it at the back side too. So don't forget to season the backside of your lobsters. I know you see that sauce there on the right hand side in that little blue bowl. I'm gonna show you. My son makes that. First, he took a stick of butter, and we love garlic, so you can get that minced garlic, or you can put you some fresh garlic on it. That minced garlic is good, especially on crawfish balls and everything.
Pasta from that one place though.
And you see, he put about a cup of garlic in there. Oh, stop, stop! Oh, he putting a little bit more. Take a lemon, squeeze a little lemon juice, bring it to a little simmer, and then you want to get your some Tony's. I say about 2 teaspoons of Tony's and Old Bay, about 1 teaspoon. And he wanted to put some of this jerk sauce in there, so put about a teaspoon of that jerk sauce and some parsley flakes. Put a little color to it, and garlic salt. And my son, I always have to use this brown sugar. So you're going to put about 2 teaspoons of brown sugar in. There you go. And this is the sauce we're going to put on the lobster before we put it in the oven. So like I said, you want to put some on the top and also on the back side.
Cook some more, huh? Sliding that pipe. I had you. Y'all get the little lobster. I don't know where y'all got that one from. I don't know where y'all got that one from. Y'all need to serve that. That's how restaurants. Restaurants. You keep it.
Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle some more of those parsley flakes on there. Make it look pretty. Then we're gonna put this thing in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. So that big one probably need 20 minutes. Those little ones, 15 minutes. And you're ready. So I'm gonna put a little butter on the top, just keep them from drying out. That's it.
It'll be a whole bunch of butter.
And like I said, we're gonna put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes.
Let's just keep it dry.
About 20 minutes for that big one, 15 minutes for those smaller ones.
You know that?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
This is what it looks like. This is at the probably about 17, 18 minutes. So it's ready. Especially those little ones. We're gonna take those out. Then I'm gonna take the big one out after about 3 more minutes. There go the outcome. Look at that, man. That's my daughter's sauce right there. She made some sauce in the oven, just some butter and some more stuff. So let me give this a try right here. See what it tastes like.
Get me eating. Let's see what we got.
No, it ain't Murph.
Oh, that sauce. That sauce
One more
getting to that.
One more piece.
That sauce getting to that lobster. That brown sugar enhancing that natural sweetness. That's what it do.
All right.
You're not thinking.
That's good. Now you got to come to our steak.
Boy, that's good. That's just right.